When red-footed tortoises come across a good food stash, they aren't likely to forget it. A new study has found that the creatures can remember the location of their favorite food sources for at least 18 months, revealing their long-term memory is better than previously thought. The find suggests they not only remember the locations where they previously found food, but recall the biggest and best sources. Researchers from the University of Lincoln say this is the first time the tortoises have been found to exercise judgment on the quality and quantity of food sources rather than the sole location, and they hold on to this information for a long time. Long-term memory is an important characteristic for animals which live for a long time, particularly if they inhabit environments where resources are patchily distributed like forests, said Dr. Anna Wilkinson from the School of Life Sciences. A long-term memory enables them to retain information that is crucial for survival, such as the appearance and location of key resources. To test them, the researchers trained captive red-footed tortoises to associate visual cues with specific qualities and quantities of food. Colored sheets were used to indicate a preferred mango-flavored jelly, for example, and a less preferred apple-flavored jelly. The tortoises eventually learned which colors were associated with which type and quantity of food, and 18 months later they were given the same cues. Despite how much time had passed, the team found that they still remembered their preferences. The researchers detailed their findings in a study published to the journal Biology Letters. Our study shows us that they can in fact remember visual cues associated with different reward values over a period of at least 18 months, demonstrating a significant memory for different quantities and qualities of food, Wilkinson said. They are able to remember much more than just the presence or absence of food. This is an important distinction to make because, in nature, decisions are rarely clear-cut, so it is helpful to be able to evaluate the relative benefits of different resources, added Dr. Libby John. According to the researchers, this ability likely has a direct impact on their foraging abilities and could make foraging more efficient. Plants that provide better sustenance may receive more visits per season, leading to repeated visits in the seasons to come. In turn, this could play a role in the dispersal of seeds,